Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you with another Dollar Tree DIY. So I'm starting with these items here. I'm using these gems from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just placing a dot of hot glue on them, and I'm actually going to glue them on the inside of this candle holder. It kind of looks like a fishbowl, but I'm gluing them on the inside. You can do these however you want to do them. You can just randomly glue them, and you also can use the little gems that come with the little light in the pack. If you can't find these diamond shaped gems, you can use those other shaped gems that comes with the little light that changes color, because I'm going to be using those as well. I'm not using the gem part, but I am using the lights that came out of those. And if you get any placed in the wrong place and you want to move it, I just use my scissors to kind of pry it off. You just want to gently pry it off and it pops right off. So it should look something like this. So next I'm going to take one of the wine glasses, and I'm using the snowflake ornaments here, or you can use the Christmas trees or whichever type of ornament that you like to put in there that will fit. And I'm using some of these, I forgot the name of these, but I'm just going to call them little twisties. So I'm just going to use those. I'm going to cut the string. I'm cutting the string off of the ornament, and I'm going to string this twisty here, and I'm going to just twist it up, and I'm just going to keep twisting until I get it to the size that's going to fit in the wine glass where it won't hang off. And you can leave the bell on there if you want to. I had the bell on there at first, but I decided to go ahead and take the bell off. But if you leave the bell, you just need to twist this down small enough for it to fit. And you just want to keep twisting until you get something that kind of looks like this, where it has like a little end on it, so you can have something to hold the glue. Then I just drop some hot glue down at the bottom, just hold it over and just let it just fall to the bottom of the glass. And once I have enough in there, I just take the ornament and I just place it down into the glue. So that little knot that's on the little twisty tie, you just want to place it in there until the glue dries, then I flip it over. Next, this part is optional. I'm taking some of the ribbon and I'm just wrapping it around the bottom of this candle holder. You can do the Mod Podge and glitter, or you can paint it however you desire to do it. I also placed some gems on the inside of this candle holder. This part is optional as well, especially if you want to put a candle on the inside. Unless you have a slim candle, that's the only one that would fit if you place the gems. So I'm taking a napkin ring and I'm just going to glue this down on the top of the light that's going to be placed inside the cylinder candle holder. This is just to give me a little bit more height for the look that I'm going for. Another thing I want to show you guys, that if you did want to place a candle on the inside, this is a real candle that I have, and it is a little bit too heavy for the light. It won't stay on with the light, with the candle being placed on top of the light. So if you want to do it this way, I would recommend using a battery operated light. I do have some, I just cannot find them because I know I recently bought some, but it will not stay on if you do it this way with a real candle. So just letting you know that little tidbit. So next I followed up with some Mod Podge and glitter, and these are some of the bowls. They come 4 to a set. Everything in this video is from the Dollar Tree except for the glitter and Mod Podge, but of course Dollar Tree does sell glitter and Mod Podge, but I'm following up with some glitter and Mod Podge on the second candle holder. The next step is to turn over the cylinder candle holder, and I'm going to use the ornaments. I'm going to use the snowflake ornaments, and I cut the strings and everything off, and I'm taking one of the little ends and I'm bending it down so I can use that to glue this down to the base of the candle holder. So I'm using some of the E6000, and I'm going to follow up with some of the hot glue, and I just place a drop of the hot glue so I can go ahead and get the instant stick and just hold it in place until the glue kind of set for the hot glue to dry. The E6000 will take longer to dry, but yeah. And you just want to try to center it as much as possible and just hold it down until that glue dries. So I just followed those same steps for the other set of candle, the other candle holder that I'm making in this video. And I went ahead and glued the bowl, these bowls here. I went ahead and did the same thing with with the snowflake ornament. And I'm just bending the end again and just gluing it down to the bottom of this bowl. Once my ornaments are dry, I took some E6000 and I went around the rim of the round candle holder, the one that looks like a fishbowl, just applying a layer of E6000 and following up with a little bit of hot glue so you can get the instant stick. And I'm going to place this on top, well, on the bottom of the cylinder candle holder where the snowflake will be placed on the inside of the fishbowl like candle holder. So once it's dry, I just flip it over. And this is an actual another look that you can do too. If you don't want to use the wine glass, you can just leave it at this look here and place a mirror on the bottom. You can glue a mirror down to the bottom, place the lights on the inside, and this is a whole another look that you can have if you didn't want to use the wine glasses. You can see how you have to kind of place the, when you use those shims, how it's kind of hard for the light to fit in there. That's why you have to kind of strategically place them if you want to do it with those shims on the inside. But that part is totally optional. So that's one look that you can do. And if you wanted to have the snowflake on the inside with the candle in the bowl, you can have it like this as well. Or you can do it without the gems and just do the candle on the inside without any lights. You can also glue the bottom of the bowl to the cylinder candle holder and just place a light on the inside of the round bowl to have a different look. So to join all the pieces together, I just used the E6000, followed up with the hot glue, and I'm placing the bowl, the round bowl, on the stem of the candle holder to glue all the pieces together. And it should look something like this. So next I'm going on to the other candle holder. So for this other candle holder, I placed some of the styrofoam that's supposed to be like snow in the bottom of the fish bowl, and followed up with some E6000 as well as the hot glue. And I'm taking the cylinder candle holder and I'm going on top because I didn't want the styrofoam to spill everywhere. So I just placed it on top to glue it together. And you just want to do it like this, but don't turn that candle holder over until that glue is completely dry because you don't want the styrofoam to be stuck at the top of the bowl. And then just join those pieces together using the E6000 as well as the hot glue. or straight E6000 if you don't want to use the hot glue. And it should look something like this. And I followed up with these snowflake stickers. You can use a dab of hot glue to make them stay longer, because I'm placing them on the part where I used the Mod Podge as well. And the last thing was I glued this light that changes colors down to the other light, because one is going to be facing down to shine on the snowflake with the globe snowflake with the styrofoam, and the other one is going to be shining up to reflect on the snowflake that's going to be above it. And then you just add the bowl on top, and that bowl is not glued down, so you can change this out if you want to. You can change the battery still. And here's the final look. So I like the way these turned out. This is the snowflake one, and this is a look with without the lights being the different changing color lights. You can do that. That part is optional if you want to have it change the colors. Use those little lights. Those lights, sometimes you can find them 2 in a pack at the Dollar Tree, but most of the time I find them in the pack that has the gems along with it. It has like the gems, that's like the odd shaped gems. Usually that's when I find those lights. So I had a bunch of those from previous projects. So yeah, this is the final look, and I will show you with those lights changing colors as well. So I want to take the time and thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all of your support and all of your wonderful comments. I appreciate each and every one of you. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone, because I'm sure this video will be posted on Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I hope everyone is having a blessed day, and we all have so many things to be thankful for. If we think about the small things, we have so much to be thankful for. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, if you like what you see here, if you want to continue to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell. And please share these videos. Share, share, share. Sharing is caring. So if you like this video, also give it a thumbs up. And until next time, you guys, I'm just going to show you the different looks. That's still the snowflake, and then I'll show you the one with the gems. But until next time, you guys, bye.